Welcome to Funky Cats Gaming.
Hey guys, what's up? It is me, Funky Cats Gaming, back with another fun video today. So yeah, today is going to be a room tour. Make sure you subscribe, like, click the bell, and also I have a TikTok now. You can go follow me at Funky_Cats Gaming 123. So go follow me there. So yeah, anyway, let's get started with my brand new room tour. Okay, so this is all of my junk. Yeah, we're gonna move on. And then down here is the loft area. Now, what's annoying about this part up here with the wood is that I always bump my head on it whenever I enter it, and it's so painful. Okay. Then we have my stuffed animals. They're pretty adorable. And then we have my fidgets. You guys probably saw this in my fidget video that I did in May this year, I think. So yeah. Then we just have my dresser, which I'll talk to you guys more about in a minute. And then this is pretty much just a hangout / loft area. Nothing much to it. Nothing super magical and interesting other than my Echo, which I use a lot. Sorry about that. And then we just have some blankets for when I have friends over and they want to hang out under there. And then just my iPad stand, which is a super cute unicorn, by the way. So yeah, I got that for about my 8th birthday, I think. I don't know. Then we just have a Marvel poster right here. And then we have a nice little dresser area where I store my diary and some books that I can read, some masks that I use at school, and then some books that I'm probably never going to read. And then we just have a money safe and a little cat I made when I was really little. And then we have some magical fairy houses. And if you didn't see a TikTok where I talked about a fairy house that I had randomly found, go check that out at my TikTok, because I love magical mythical stuff, if you guys did not know. So yeah, and then we just have my elf on the shelf. And then oh my gosh, there's my legs. So, and then we have a drawing that I made when I was a little younger. And just some candles to keep the room smelling really nice. And then a fan. It's a fan. It's amazing, okay? And then, when we come over here, we have my shoes. Just shoes. Got my Crocs. And then we have a reindeer robe that I got as a gift for Christmas. And then I have, let me think, it's my unicorn robe, super cool, and when I do a face reveal, I might use it in some of my videos. Then I actually do karate, so this is my certificate. And then we just have this when I was a baby. Then this just says let you shine through. It doesn't do much in this room. It adds a little bit of normal and like encouragement to the room, but other than that, it doesn't really add anything to it. Then we have my basketball hoop, and if you're wondering what basketball is, it is down here in this drawer where I keep it with my word searches and nail polishes, stuff like that. Just a lot of stuff I use when my friends are bringing over for sleepovers, summer parties, stuff like that. And then up here at this drawer, we have Mad Libs, Golden Girls, because I love Mad Libs. And then we just have some other Mad Libs, toothbrushes. I don't know why those are in here, but then we just have more books and stuff. Then down here, I don't really know much about down here because I don't really use this. We just have some knitting needles because I want to learn to knit, but I'm terrible at it. So if we move that aside, we just have a washcloth. And then we have this super duper cute little like glitter swoop box thingy. I don't know. a notebook with little pyramids on it, and then just some more books and stuff, and Christmas magnets, a lot of other fun stuff. And then the next thing I want to show you guys is so before we move to my closet, which is right here, has a super cute dream catcher. These are my luggage areas where I just keep most of my luggage for when I'm going on vacations. And I have a little scarf right here, super cute. And then I have my duffel bag for like one night sleepovers, 2-night trips, stuff like that. Nothing much, nothing fun and super cool here. I have my night lights. And then I'm gonna come over here in my closet. It's a bit messy in here, but I'm gonna be super nice and show you guys. This is my closet. This has some clothes. It's a bit messy down here. I'm gonna try to fix that soon, but we just have some cubbies, my clothes, and then we have some t-shirts that I can use that go all the way to besides stupid thing. And then they go all the way back here, so I have a lot of shirts, and some are in the laundry, so these are all my shirts. And then I have some sweaters in here, and maybe some jackets or something. So if we close that, it is now time to move on to my bed. So this is gonna be a little difficult to climb up here, but we just climb up here. Okay, so then when we come up here, this is my little bed and my trophies. So these are just my trophies and stuff like that. And I also have some medals. One is actually a school medal. I'm not going to show you the school that I go to, but this is just a little medal that I have. Then some blankies. And then this is where I sleep. And it has my pillows and stuff like that. And a little like Shopkins pillow thingy. Super cute. I called her Dootsy Donut when I was little. I still call her that because I'm childish. And then my sloth, he just hangs out over here. And then, if you're wondering why some controllers and stuff are here, these are actually my LEDs. They're super duper cool. Can't really get a good angle with them because my hand is so tired right now, but since it's night right now, I really want to show you guys these, but I have to turn off my lights and come back up here, and I really don't want to do that right now. But I'll just show you a little bit around the controls and stuff like that. So these are my controls of all the colors. Wait, oh my god, I'm upside down. Okay. Just set this up. So these are my controls. So yeah, we can do flash, strobe, fade, smooth, and a bunch of other fun colors. My favorite color in general is pink because I use it a lot. So yeah, and then you just have your normal on and off button on this, so it's nothing very fun and interesting. But I mean, it's something cool. Show off. And then over here, we have my Diary of a Wimpy Kid calendar. I think this one's from last year, I think. Because I had no time to buy a new calendar this year. So I just kind of used the one from last year. I don't know what I was thinking, because I'm weird. But I mean, its only purpose is to really just show the month. Because I don't really keep track of the days so much. There's a school calendar at my school, and I feel like I use that one a lot more. So yeah. And I just have some inspiring stuff over here. This is my gross and disgusting handwriting. It says nice job, kind, all the other kind of important stuff that you don't hear from a friend or something. Then we have my chalkboard, super cute, because I can write a lot of fun messages on it that I might do in a lot of my loft videos and in-person videos on my iPad. So yeah, right now it just says heart yourself or love yourself or however you want to say it. So yeah, now we just have some of my stuffed animals. I'll show you a lot more in further videos. And then we have a nice view of my hallway. No one out there right now, but just a nice view. And this, I got this for my 9th birthday, I think. Okay, let me just set this up quickly. Okay, so this is the box it came in or something. Let me open it. Oh my god, it's so hard. Oh my god. Okay, wait. We have to take the cap off. Let's take the cap off. Okay, so it's not broken. Don't worry. I've done this a lot. So you have these cute, oh my god, let me put this up on the screen. These cute little num-nums. This is the little baby one with a little pinky on it. So cute. Then we have a little strawberry one, and it's a waffle. These are both little waffles. They're the Waffle Sisters. They're adorable. And then you have little stands to place them on so they can stand up when you play with them. And I don't want to make this a toy review, so I'm not going to take forever. So let me kind of just close this stupid thing up. Oh my god, my screen fell over. Oh my god. Sorry if this is a really bad quality video. Let me just do this. Sorry, I'm just slow. Oh my gosh. Why is this not cooperating? Okay, so let's put that right there. Now we have a book that I'm currently reading. It's called Camp Murderface. Not sponsored by the library or anything, but yeah. So, and then this is my sleep masks over here. So I don't usually go in depth about my room, but since I'm probably gonna post this on YouTube, I was supposed to post another video. That did not get posted because something happened with the video, I think, which I'll probably talk about in a future video on one of my Roblox or Fortnite videos. And if you guys have been wondering why I have not posted Fortnite lately, it is because the videos are just too hard to post. I'm really sorry, but I cannot get another one out there anytime soon. I promise I will really try hard, but it's probably not going to happen anytime soon. But yeah, if you guys are still wondering, although I do still play Fortnite, and Chapter 2 Season 8 just came out. And yeah, so just a fun thing I'd like to say before I end today's video, which might not get posted. Because the other one had some stuff happen when I tried to post it. It got into the wrong file. I think it just disappeared. Something happened. I don't know. But when I wanted to edit it, it just wouldn't pop up when I wanted to get it from my iPad. So yeah, I'm really, really sorry. So yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, click the notification bell, and follow me on TikTok. So yeah, and like today's video. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go. Bye.